Today, I'm working on a proposal for a new industrial training client. They're not very familiar with 3D or augmented reality, but they do know their business, and we're going to help them jump from old school to bleeding edge in a matter of months. But first, before we build any 3D or set up any authoring solution, we're going to go carefully through their existing training documentation, item by item, breaking it down into all the component steps so that we clearly understand every single aspect of that training, and that any remaining questions are uncovered clearly. And then we'll set that out for both parties to examine and get answers from their subject matter experts and come up with solutions where we don't have them yet. This upfront discovery process takes a little while, but it's worth the extra work. Everything is laid out clearly, we reduce the number of surprises, and most importantly, both parties see clearly the level of effort and they're happy with the value they're getting. So that's what I'm working on today, helping a new industrial training client set up for success with AR training. I hope that you are creating something beautiful with your day.